to my channel, Makeup with Melanin. So this is today's look. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, make sure that you stay tuned. For those of you who are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure that you turn on your post notifications so that you do not miss out on any of the amazing content that I have coming soon. Make sure that you go ahead and give my video a thumbs up. And also go ahead and leave some feedback for me down below in the comments. Follow me on all my socials. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. So first things first, we're going to do our eyebrows. Okay, I will be using the E.l.f. Girl Shady Shine Brow Pencil. Looks just like this. You can't really see the lettering, but I will link that down below in the description. This pen was $2.99. $2.99. Go get you one from Ulta. So first things first, we're going to use this end and just brush our brows out. Like that. And then we're going to go in with this end and just do our shape. Alright, so that's how our brows looking. I'm going to do the other one. I'm going to come back and conceal. Alright, y'all, now that we have our brows drawn on, we're going to go in with our FitMe concealer in the color 57 Walnut. Excuse my bottle. It is old, but that's how it looks. I'm just going to go in right with this pencil and put some dots up underneath my brow. Like that. And I'm going to blend it out. Alright, so before we blend this out, I did just get the Eye Obsessed Eye Morphe brushes. So go get you one, or go get you a pack. They were, I believe, $26, which is not bad. It comes with 12 different brushes, a little bag. So I will be using those today. Alright guys, so today we're going in with the Masquerade Mini Palette by Juvia's Place. Here are what the colors look like. So for our first shade, we're going to go in with Zobo right here. Alright y'all, for the next color, we're going in with this shimmery blue right here called Zola. Third color we're going to go in with is this purple right here called Makita. So on our inner corner of our eye, we're going to go in with Giza right here. Alright, so next we're going to go in with our e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. Alright, if you ever have fallout and your fallout blends in with your skin rather than coming off, just take some micellar cleansing water and some of these wipes right here and that'll do the job. Alright y'all, so today we are using Tailored Good lashes and this one is called Pixie. So I will leave down my friend's information. These are her lashes. Make sure y'all go shop. You can check her out at www.tailoredgoods.com. Go get y'all some lashes. Alright, and we're going in with our Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with E.l.f. Just like this.
Guys, I am so excited to see how these turn out. They are so pretty. I'll be back when this glue dried to show you guys how they
Y'all, these lashes are so pretty. We're gonna go ahead and do our primer. So today we are using e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. Comes in this green bottle. We're gonna use about 3 pumps. Alright guys, so now that our primer is on and dry, we are going to go in with our Real Techniques. I just bought some new brushes. So this is how the first brush looks. On it, it says just Real Techniques. And this is the brush 200. And it's just the Expert Face Brush. So we're going to go in with our foundation. And today we're using the Matte+Poreless Maybeliine foundation in the color 365 Nutmeg. I'm just gonna kind of dab this on my face. I mean, this is my personal foundation, so normally I pour it on something, but that gets to be too messy, and quite frankly I don't feel like making a mess because I don't feel like cleaning up a mess. And then we'll just go ahead and dab this in. Alright, so now that we went ahead and put on our foundation, which I put a lot, y'all. We're going to go ahead and do our concealer. And today for concealer, we are still going back in with our e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer with a satin finish. And this one is in the color Deep Cinnamon. We're just going to go right up under our eye. Like that. Just like that. Alright, so on the Real Technique brushes, it comes with a brush like this. This one is the Real Techniques 300, and this is their deluxe crease brush. So I'm just going to use that to blend my contour in, and then probably go in with the beauty blender to do whatever extra that I need to do. I am really loving these brushes. You can see the difference when you're using a certain type of brushes, and then you go from using that brush to another brush. You can definitely see the difference, because when I use these brushes, I can definitely tell that there's something different about the way the makeup just soaks into my face. 10 times out of 10 would recommend these brushes. A setting brush. So when I'm done with this, I'm gonna look back up and apply my, and I'll show you guys how I apply my setting powder. Alright y'all, so we're not completely done putting on our concealer, but I do want to go ahead and set my under eye. So we're going in with the Real Techniques 402 brush, and this one is their setting brush, and we're using our NYX Set It Don't Fret It that we always use, our matte finishing powder in the color medium to dark. I know some of y'all like to bake. I don't bake. I don't. Baking is when you set the powder under your eye and wherever else on your face you want to put it, and you let it sit. But that is what tends to make me look ashy. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see, I can see how this side looks more matte than this side. So I'm going to come back after I've done this side, and then we're going to finish blending out our concealer. Alright, so to conceal my nose, we went in with our Hydrating Camo Concealer from e.l.f. and then also this Maybeliine FitMe concealer. I'm just going to dab that in. Like that. Alright, so this is how my face is looking so far. Now we're going to go in with our e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in the color Rich Ebony. So now we're going in with our highlighter, and we're using Juvia's Place loose highlighting powder in the color Nefertiti. So we're gonna go back in with our Real Techniques brush, and this one is 402. This is also the setting brush, and I don't want to do too much. Scared, y'all. I don't want to do too much. I don't know about y'all, but I feel like I can see progress each time that I do my makeup. Like, just with the application alone, like, this looks really, really good. Alright, so last but not least, we're going to go in with our Matte Magic Mist and Set setting spray, and just spray a couple pumps of that all over our face. And that's how it looks. This is a new bottle, so. Bubble. Guys, so this is the finished product. I went ahead and turned the lighting down just so that you guys can see it in different lightings. I had the ring light at the highest setting during the video, and now I just kind of turned it down a little bit so you can see how it's looking. This is the final product. Make sure that you check out these lashes. I will put the, well, not the link, but I will put the website name and my friend's social media site so that you can check out her lashes. Tailored Goods. Remember, this is Pixie if you're interested, because these lashes are bomb, period. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed making it. Make sure that you go ahead and give my video a thumbs up. Make sure that you leave some feedback down below in the comments. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Bye.